in the Emirates. As a designer, if you have a dream, you can make that dream work. The UAE has become an integral part of the global design scene. People are looking into this part of the world and seeing the incredible things that are getting done.
Here at W Motors, we have supercars and the hypercars. These cars are collector's pieces. They should be treated like art.
In the UAE, the art scene is growing, so we have a lot of galleries. We do international show to UK, to New York.
We are exporting design, showing the rest of the world what the Emirates can achieve. From a design perspective, just the projects we generate, you wouldn't even dream of it, let alone do it.
The Emirates was built on visions, and I don't think there is anywhere else in the world that could compete even close to what the Emirates has done.
If you're driven and you have the vision, everything is possible.